Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today is the beginning of a little home project that I have for my automobile. I have a 2016 Toyota Highlander that I'm wiring a 7-pin connector to so that I can start towing my RV. So I needed several things to be able to do that. And the first part came in today, and it's simply a LOKMAN cable clamp, 3/16 inch, and I got 20 of the clamps. And so this is going to hold. I have to run a large cable from the front of my truck to the back end of my truck, my Toyota Highlander, and it's a large cable, and I have to run that, and I have to attach it to the underbelly of my truck all the way along, and so I'll need these to hold the cable onto the Highlander. So these simply hold the cable on, and you put them in here in the padded area, and then you just drill a hole and you put a screw through there, and it holds the cable. It's that simple. So if you're ever needing to hold a cable onto either wood or metal or something like this, I highly recommend the LOKMAN cable clamp, and they come in all sizes. There you go. Go get them today.